I like it very much because it's the third time we are in India now, and we want to see different cultures.
बैसोगोरा बोराय बुरै सानै हायुङारि मानास हाग्रामायाव दावबायफैदों। वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज एरिया हायुङारि मानास हाग्रामानि साखाथियाव थानाय मायंपारा गामियावबो दावबायारिफोरा दावबायफैदों। मानासनि टुरिस्ट गाइड बिजु बसुमतारिया मायंपारा गामियाव माखासे नुथाय दिन्थिफुंदों। बर' हारिनि जारिमिन। बर'नि बाथौ धोरोम, राव, हारि, दानाय लुनाय, हारिमु, आसार-खान्थि बायदि बायदि मिथिनानै लाहोनो थाखाय लानानै फैदों अस्ट्रिया हादरनि सानै बैसोगोरा बोराय-बुरैखौ। बुहुमनि बबेबा मोनसे खनायावबो बर' हारिनि गेरेमसा हारि दं, बेखौ गुबुन हादरनि मानसिफोरनो बुंफोरनो हायो, बे खौरांलाइखौ दैथायहरनो हायो। बेखौ नोजोर बोनानै दिनैहाय मायंपारा गामियाव लानानै फैदों मानासनि टुरिस्ट गाइड बिजु बसुमतारिया।
From Austria, that's a small country in Europe, and not Australia. It's just a difference. And we are here in India, or here in the northeast of India, to learn about the culture, to see which animals are here, to talk to the people, to look what happens. And here we are in a border village, and here we learned about the people are living here, and the traditional things they use, what they drink, which god they have, on which things they believe. I think that's all. I like it very much because it's the third time we are in India now, and we want to see different cultures. And the last two times were so interesting, so that we said, okay, we want to come once again. We want to see more about this country. We want to learn more about these people here. We want to know how they live and where they live and how they do. And yes, that's the reason why we are here. And it's a wonderful experience for us. And we know when we come home, there are a lot of people, they are awaiting what we have to tell about it. It's always the same problem. You learn something in school, and 50 years later, you always have the same meaning what you learned 50 years before. But time goes on, and people are changing, countries are changing, and that's the reason where it is so important to connect different cultures, to connect the people, and to tell the other one how it works here. We will stay here for 18 days altogether. No, not in Manas. In Manas 4 days. From here we go to Kashiranga, also for 5 days. Then to Mayuli. At last to Jorhat. From Jorhat we have a flight to Kolkata, and then 5 days we stay in the Sundarbans. Though we have a lot of different areas in that northeast of India, a lot of different animals, and I hope a lot of different people we met and we can talk to them.
खुलुमबाय बिथांमोना अस्ट्रिया हादरनि बहुत फिसा कान्ट्रि
ओरैनो बबे बबे जायगायाव जोबफिननाय जाखो
ओरैनो बिथांमोना मेनलि मानास नेशनेल पार्कखौ बेरायनो फैदोंमोन थ' आं एज ए गाइड हिसाबै दङ थ' जिहेतु मानासआ जोंनि मा होनो बेखौ जेनेबा जोंनि बड'लेण्ड एरिया बा बिटिआर एरियायाव दंखाय बा बेहाव जेनेबा बर'फोरा माबोरैहाय थायो जोंनि आसार खान्थि जोंनि दानाय लुनाय बाथौखौ माबोरै सिबियो, बाथौआ मानिफ्राय फैनाय, जोंनि मावनाय दांनाय जानाय लोंनाय आसार खान्थि, बिदिनो मा होनो मानसिखौ खुलुमनाय आसार खान्थि, बेफोरबायदि मा होनो गासैबो नियम खान्थिफोरखौ जोङो माबोरैहाय सोलियो, माबोरैहाय जोङो माने बिदिनो बुहुमनि बबेबा मोनसे खनायावबो जोङो बादि बर' हारि बायदि मोनसे माने गेरेमसा हारि दं, बेखौ माने जाहाथे जोङो गुबुन हादोरनि मानसिनो जों बुंफोरना होनो हायो, जोंनि मेसेजखौ जाहाथे जोङो हरनो हायो, बिनि थाखायनो आङो साननानै जोंनि बे मायंपारा जायखौ गिलाजार हिसाबैबो मिथियो, बे गामियाव आं लाबोनाय जादों आरोखि।
ओरैनो सानबेसे थागोन बिथांमोना मानासाव?
बिथांमोनाथ' ओरैनो सानब्रै थागोन, बिनि उनाव बिथांमोना जिप साफारि बानायगोन। थ' दिनैहाय बिदिनो जोङो खाथियाव टि गार्डेनबो दं, बेयाव जेनेबा फेक्ट्रि दं, फेक्ट्रियाव साहापातखौ माबोरै बानायो बेखौबो खोन्थाबाय। बेजों लोगोसे आं दिनै गामियावबो लाबोबाय, गामिनि आसार खान्थि गासैखौबो आं डिटेल्स जोंनि आबाद मावनाय माबा जायफोर जोंनि मा होनो बेखौ जों माबोरैहाय सोलियो, आबादनि सायाव बांसिन सोनारनानै माबोरैहाय जोङो जोंनि जिउखौ खाङो, बेफोर गासैखौबो आं बिथांमोननो बुंफोरनानै होबाय। थ' दा दिनैहाय बेलासियाव सेकेन्ड हाफआव बिदिनो जिप साफारि दं, थ' गाबोनबो दं, ओमफ्राय बिनि उनाव बिथांमोना काजिरङासिम थांगोन आरोखि।